Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. I will use for demonstration one of the simplest elements in PowerDirector, namely the color board. I present 5 use cases of this board. So, the color board is nothing more than a simple plain board. It can be found in the media room under the color board section. Here you can find a few predefined color boards. These default panels are named with RGB color numbers. As you can see, at the case of blackboard is 000, etc. You can also create a new custom color board by clicking on this little icon here. You can select the color either from the scene or with the color selector. Now select the color selector. You can select any color as you wish. Press the OK button to display the selected color in the library window. Double-clicking on the RGB name will display an editable field where you can give your color a new name. Double-clicking sometimes goes hard. Therefore, we can rename the color board by bringing up the context menu with the right mouse button and selecting the Change Alias option. Let its name be a light blue. The first use case what we can do with the color board is to adjust the mood of the video. I drag the example video to the timeline. Let's see how it looks like in original. Now select any color board from the offered list and drag to the timeline as well. You can double click on the color board panel to open the properties dialog box. Expand the object settings section and set the color board opacity. This way you can adjust the mood of the video without the help of more complicated techniques. If the setting is correct, close the property dialog. Extend the width of the color board to the entire length of the video. If you still want to change the mood, you don't have to delete the board from the timeline. Just right click to bring up the context menu and select the Change Color option. Then use the From Color selector to set the appropriate mood for the shot. The color of the color board changes based on the selected values. Let's watch the video. Original. The changed clip has warmer colors. The color board can be used as background color on the scene. Let's put together a simple example. I'm creating 4 video tracks. Audio track is not necessary, so I set 0 and hit OK. I drag a color board into the timeline, switch the media content and 3 more images. I drag each image into a separate track. Then click on each image while holding down the Ctrl key. This allows you to adjust the length of all images at once. Remove the remaining tracks that we don't need. Place these 3 images on the scene and set the position for them correctly. Let's all 3 visible. Open the title room and let's create a new title. I write some text for our title, docs. Save it. I'm going to add another video track and place the title there. So the color board is used as background color. Now we will create more advanced titles. I drag the ship video onto the timeline. Then I'm going to make a new title in the title room. Create new. Let the text boat trip. And save it. I drag the title on the timeline and going to adjust the position of the caption on the scene. So select it, change the size and drag it into the correct location. Then open the color boards panel and drag any color into the new video track. By double-clicking, open the property dialog box and set the opacity level of this board. Go back to the video editor and adjust the dimensions and the position of the color board on the scene. Since the title is behind the board, simply drag the track of the color board on the top of the video track. We can improve our caption a little bit. Open the color board property dialog box, select the border option and use the tools here to set the border properties. In this way we made a much nicer title. And now let's look at the video with the more advanced title. The use case 4. I drag a video to the video track. Let's watch the short video. I want to cover the BMW logo in the video. So drag a color board to a new video track. Adjust the dimensions of the box and set the position. Cover the part we want to cover, so the logo. From the color board context menu, select the change color and use the color selector to find the color that best matches the colors in the video. So we can use the color board as a camouflage. I drag a new video onto timeline. This is a fire animation created by a computer. Let's play the clip. Now going to the color board panel, select the black color board, drag into the timeline, then double click on video source to open the video property dialog. Select the chroma key option and use the color picker to select a color to replace. Refine the settings to have a gradient of a color change. Then close the dialog. Now the board is covering our video again, so drag the track of the color board on the top of the video track. Let's have a look what the new video looks like. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next. Bye.